Hello everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription with makeup and skincare. It's about $25 per month, and you get, usually it's a little over $100, sometimes it goes up to $250, $300 worth of stuff. I'll go ahead and open this up and see what we have for April. You usually get this little card. It says Boxycharm Sweet Treats. That's the theme for this month. It tells you everything on the back and the values. And this month it looks like there's $22, $38, $38, $35, and $48 value, all for $25. Let's go ahead and see what we have. The first thing is Terra de Mars, and that is a body cleanser. So I'll go ahead and use that. And the next thing we have is Tinted Moisturizer by Studio Makeup. And I do like to use tinted moisturizer, especially in the summertime. And let's go ahead and see what this looks like. I think that's a pretty good shade match. Blends right in. Sorry, my cat's like scratching. Maxay, what's up? And then we got, I'm already opening this up, but it's Eloise. This is a luminizer. Is this a body luminizer? Oh, body and face luminizer. So it gives you the shines. Let's see what we have. There. So it's very shiny. It's not like super glittery. It's got like little microparticles, it looks like. So it's a shimmery. So it's a face and body highlighter. Then we got a Monarch lash pack. Oh, it's a 2-pack of lashes. Those are pretty. From Monarch, which I've never used, but I'll try these out. And then lastly, we have the Ayana palette by Natasha Denona. And from what I understand, looks like this is a limited edition palette made for Boxycharm, I believe. And it's a neutral. It's got a little teeny bit of shadow out here. Although I don't see any broken shadows at all, really. So it must have just been a teeny tiny piece. But anyway, it's mostly browns. It's got some shimmer. This is sort of a silvery brown green kind of shimmer. 5-pan palette. So that's nice. A glam green is what this is called. So yeah, it's a shimmery kind of green, brownish kind of green, olivey green. I don't know. It's cool. It's cool. I like it. So I will use that. And that is worth $48. That's the $48 one. It does say it's a Boxycharm exclusive, cruelty-free, so that's all good. That is everything in this month's box. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you like. Did you get something different in yours? If you get it. Do you want me to see me try out any? Just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. And that's everything I have. I accidentally said my last bit wrong. What I'm supposed to say is thanks for watching.